There are several hazards to consider during temporary power mission. The Corps of Engineers temporary power teams deploy long before other support missions are available, such as medical or housing. A serious accident could turn fatal very easily simply due to the lack of medical personnel or even blood supplies. Safety tips during temporary power missions include contractor mobilization, ensure APPs and AHAs have been developed beforehand, crane and other load handling equipment, ensure load handling equipment is inspected, operators are trained and medically qualified to operate the load handling equipment, ensure lift plans are completed, ensure there are qualified riggers and signal persons, ensure rigging has been inspected. Fuel storage and handling need to be a priority. Anticipate large amounts of fuel to be brought into the response area. Ensure adequate spill containment. Ensure proper bonding and grounding practices are implemented. Look for proper fire extinguishers and the right amount of them. Anticipate and plan for fatigue management. NFPA 70E requirements shall be implemented. Initial team needs to be made aware of and provided training associated with hazardous energy procedures, arc flash prevention requirements, and proper PPE. Lastly, there are environmental hazards that come with being first responders at a disaster site. Be aware that there's minimal medical support available and plan accordingly. When being the first in, there will be large amounts of debris and road hazards that have not been identified. This remains the largest exposure during emergency response and recovery missions. Temporary power is one of the most hazardous missions USACE oversees. Pre-planning, involvement of safety professionals, and training is key to keeping these workers safe during their deployments.